Align your passion and purpose in life with a goal. If you focus on the goal, you will overcome all obstacles. If you focus on obstacles, you will never reach your goal.
Over the last 40 years, I have been very fortunate to lead Reliance. This evening, I want to share with you the most important lessons I have learned from my father during this phenomenal journey. The first lesson is courage, and I have seen it in a whole lot of you. Nobody has ever achieved anything big in business or in any walk of life without courage. Of course, whenever you do anything big, you do feel a little scared, but you got to conquer fear to discover the hidden hero within you. With courage, with self-belief and the can-do spirit, you overcome any adversity. साहस एक ऐसी ताकत है जिससे डर को भी डर लगता है. Therefore, I want today's young leaders to realize that achieving your potential is the quest of the ordinary. Conquering the impossible is your destiny. The second lesson I have learned is feel empathy. Empathy means caring and sharing with every human being in our organization and the world at large. The more we care, the higher we grow as human beings. I understand empathy as dil ki daulat. It is the wealth of your heart. The more you spend it on others, the more wealthy you become. The third lesson I have learned is
there is no substitute to hard work. Even more important, to pursue excellence. Aim at being the best, not just the best in India, but the best in the world. Pursue excellence and success will chase you.
The fourth lesson I have learned is something I call Dil Ka Rishta. Like my father, I value trust, loyalty, and a direct heart-to-heart relationship. As we enter Reliance's golden decade, I want to commend these learnings to the next generation. The future belongs to you. Today, you have a fabulous platform that will enable you to achieve multiples of what has been achieved by my generation. I have learned is to have absolute faith in technology and talent.
It is very important to be positive and optimistic in life. Dismiss the prophets of doom. Have self-confidence. Believe in yourself. And above all, believe in India. Because this country gives every Indian the opportunity to realize his dreams. And I think the best of India is yet to come.